Hello, everybody. Guest designer Deb Floros for Beadaholique. I'm here to talk about this bracelet I'm calling a 3 Wishes bracelet. I used these beautiful coin pearl beads. They are iridescent, they are beautiful, and they match these tiny little crystal beads that are faceted rondelles. It's such a beautiful combination. Those prestige pearl beads just look so beautiful and shiny. I added some Toho 15-0 seed beads just to add a little bit of dimension. I started stringing on the crystals, and I do think they needed a little something, so I added the seed beads. I used 19 strand beading wire, and I measured out the halfway or roughly the halfway point to my focal section. I used 3 of those pearls. 3 wishes, 3 pearls. I love the way that looks. And I added 1 tiny crystal in between each with seed beads on either side. I counted to make sure I had equal amounts of the beads on either side, but I was a little short on both sides for the length of bracelet I needed. I grabbed my bead stoppers and I cut the beading wire from the packaging, and then I started to fill in those ends that were a little bit short. I love the large coins with those small faceted beads. It looks very boutique. I think that kind of a style is very popular. So I think the small beads and the large beads look so beautiful together, not to mention the shine. So I added all of my last pieces, and what I decided to do was create a seed beaded loop at one end. And because it's not finished yet, it's a little easier to do this end. So I think I used about 13 seed beads. And then on the other side, I created a loop and I split the beads in half, skipped a bead, put the lobster claw clasp in the center. So the loops are the same size, and now it's functional with that lobster, which will hook onto the loop at the other side. You'll need to be very, very careful, especially at that other end, so you don't crack the beads. You can find everything to make this project at beadaholique.com. Thank you so much for watching.